This tutorial will show you how to find and add an intro or intros in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have Capcut open and you want to add an intro to your video clips. I got you. Now go to the top left hand screen and scroll to the right and click on templates next to adjustment and the AI avatars tab. Now you want to click the bottom icon or the drop down arrow underneath templates and click the 5th option which says intro. Now as you can see, we have a bunch of different intros here, and if you click on a video clip, you can even highlight or preview the video clip. Now let's say you're happy or satisfied with an introduction or an intro in Capcut PC. And again, click, select and highlight, and go to the bottom right hand screen on the video and click the plus icon, which is going to add to the track. Now we want to drag it to the beginning of our video clip and drag our video clips to the end, and this is what we have.